Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove subtitles from your videos or from your audio. Just from your videos in CapCut PC. Go to captions, and for instance, you've generated. I'm just gonna make it shorter. Generated a caption, and you just want to delete it. It's actually super simple to delete it. You're just going to select the word that you want to delete or the text here and just press the delete button, or you can go to the text here and then press delete, or you can go to captions here and delete them one by one. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.